video, I want to show you something really interesting. Now, AI models are getting better every single day. Now, specifically, you are able to create realistic avatars like this one here, and also even like this one. Now, this is a website I'll include here in the link below this video. You can go to the link here called HeyCalcio.ai, and it will give you these prompts. And I specifically like this website because it gave you some realistic examples. There are many other realistic websites that show you how to create these realistic avatars, but I think this is a good starting point for anyone who wants to work on an AI avatar that looks pretty realistic, because right below the image they give you the prompt that they use to create that image, and they tell you the software here. So they use Nana Banana Pro. This is actually a few months old, so things have even got better since then, and I want to show you how realistic this is, because every day the AI models are improving. So for the purpose of this video, we're just going to be copying all this information here, this text prompt here from this specific example. And I want to do that to show you how things have even improved since they created these avatars here. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using grok.ai. Now, if you have Grok, you'll see this page here. You just go to grok.com/imagine and make sure you're on the image model here at the very bottom. Now, this is very important because you will need to use Grok to use this, but you could also use Google Flow or VO3, Higgins Field, or WAN 2.6, or other AI models. There's lots of them to choose from, but I think Grok is one of the best examples to really show you how realistic things can get and how really good their model is for the purpose of creating AI avatars. So let's start here and then simply paste that prompt into this model here, into this text prompt, and make sure you're on the image button. Then push enter. Now, as you see, it's already created a pretty nice avatar based on the information that we fed it. But what I really like about Grok is that you can take this avatar here and then you can change different parameters about it. Since you've already have the basis of the AI avatar created, say I want to change the shirt to blue. In most cases, it'll take the avatar that is already created and just apply a blue shirt. As you see, it looks pretty similar to the one above, just with the blue shirt. You can do this for all different kinds of parameters. You can do she is wearing a gold necklace, and then it'll use that same prompt as above and just apply a necklace. Obviously here it looks like the necklace went below the shirt, and you'll have to tell it certain things to go above the shirt in that case. Let's just also change the background. Actually, let's just do something different here. She is standing outside of her house. And in this case, it'll use that same avatar and change the background. Now, obviously, this is quite zoomed in. I don't quite like how it created this so zoomed in, but it did do what it was told to do. Let's do something different. Let's try to zoom out. I don't know if this is gonna fix it or not, but let's see if it changes anything. Yeah, it made it a little bit more zoomed out. I kind of like how things are going. Like, this one looks pretty realistic. However, I think we're gonna be using one of the ones above, because this one I think looks more of a realistic shot. It looks more like a lived-in environment. So let's just use this one here. Now, what you're gonna do is click on the download button. That'll save the image obviously to your downloads, but more importantly than that, you can now go ahead and click make video. Now, when you click make video, it'll take this avatar that you have created in a sense, and you can make it into different videos. The AI avatar speaking, going through different scripts, going through different prompts, saying or doing different activities, and you can be pretty you can do a lot of different things with that. Again, in the video model, now as you see, we were over here in the image tab before, but now in the video model, you will see over here that you can also customize things as well. So as you see here, she's speaking. She's just speaking basically random things, because we didn't tell her to say anything specific. But say you want to say voiceover. Typically, you can do I went on a walk today, and then it'll take that and it'll turn it into another variation of that video with this exact voiceover. You can still customize things in the video, like you can customize where she is or what she's doing, but if you do that in the image tab before, make it in the exact environment that you want, it'll be much better. Now you can still go back to the image tab over here and change some parameters. So change background to a to her car, and in theory that will take that image and I'll make it in that new environment. You can still switch back to these bottles over here, and then yeah, basically the prompt that I said here, she does it, and she says she went on a walk today. So there's a lot of different things you can do. This is the very basics of this, and in future videos I'll be going more on how you can even customize things even more. But this shows you how things are improving at a very rapid level, and how you can actually make realistic AI UGC avatars for products, videos, VSL videos, podcasts, and actually make it pretty realistic. And